Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Rosalina. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eye. Let's draw a curve up on an angle, and then bring it down. And now inside, let's draw an oval. Inside the oval now, let's draw a circle on the top, and then a curve in the center behind. And color the pupil in black. Now let's add one more curve underneath the eye on the outside. And then hop to the top and add some eyelashes with curved lines. And then let's add a curved line on top for the eyebrow. And that's it for the eye. Now let's move in and let's start drawing the hair. Let's start on top of the eye and let's draw a curved line down and over to the left. And then from the top, let's curve it out and back in, meeting at a point at the bottom. Now let's move back over on top of the eye and let's draw an angled line down and then curve it up. And then curve it back in at the end. Now on top, let's draw another curved piece out and back down. And now top over to the left side and let's add two curved pieces to match the other side. Now underneath on the right, let's draw a curve down and back up next to the eye. Now at the bottom here, let's draw two angles down, meeting at a point for the chin. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and let's draw a small curve for the nose. Then a curve underneath for the mouth. And then a smaller one underneath for the bottom lip. And that's it for the face. Now let's move over on the right side and draw a curve for the ear. And then underneath, let's add the earring. Underneath the right ear, let's draw a V-shaped point up, then two out to the sides, and then one underneath to form a four-pointed star. And now let's add the earring on the left side. This one is covered slightly by the hair, so let's start with a small angle down, a point out, one underneath, and bring it back in. And that's it for the earrings. Now let's hop to the top of the head and draw the crown. Let's start with two angled lines up. Then from the top, let's angle it down and in. And then a V shape to close off the top. Next, let's add the details inside. Let's start with a point up at the top. And then points out from the sides. And then two small angles at the bottom. Now for the sides, let's draw a small line out And then inside the star, let's draw an oval. Now let's add the gems on the sides with a curve like this. And that's it for the head for now. Now let's move back out and draw the body. Under the head, let's draw a curve down and out on both sides for the neck. And then curve it out and down for the shoulders. Now let's move into the center and let's draw the star on her dress. Let's draw a point up, points going out on both sides, and then 2 more underneath. And then add a circle inside. Now from the sides of the star, let's angle it out to the shoulders. Then angle it down and out on both sides. And then a curved line back in. Now let's move underneath and draw a set of angles down and in. And then curve it up, meeting at a point. And then underneath, let's draw 2 curves, and then shorter ones next to it. And that's it for the top part of the dress. Now let's move down and let's draw the bottom. From both sides of the dress, let's draw a long angle down and out. And now let's move into the center and let's draw a curve down and bring it up to both sides. Now let's hop underneath in the center again and let's draw another curve out and then curve it back up on both sides. Now in the middle at the bottom, to fill in the gap, let's draw a curve in the center and then another curve on both sides. And then for the tops of those points, let's draw an angle up on both sides. And that's it for the main part of the dress. Now let's move back up and add the arms. Underneath the shoulders, let's draw a set of angled lines out on both sides. And then angle both of them outwards. And a curve at the ends to close it off. Now at the end, let's add the ruffle. From the outside, let's draw a small angle, and then a longer one from the other side. And then connect them with a wavy line down. Now let's draw the hands starting with the right side. For the right hand, from the top, let's bring it out, angle it down, and back in. Then underneath, let's draw an angle for the thumb, and then curve it back up. Now for the left hand, we're going to draw this one holding the wand. Let's start with a bent line from the top, and curve it back in. And then a smaller curve underneath for the thumb. Now underneath the hand, let's draw 2 angles down and out for the wand. Now let's add the star at the end. And then add another star inside. And that's it for the body. Now let's move back up and finish drawing the back of the hair. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a curve down behind the earring and then curve it up. And the same on the right side. Then for the ends, let's curve it down and in. Next, underneath, let's step in and let's draw another curved piece. Then underneath this one, let's curve it down to the arm and continue it on the other side to the body. And that's it for Rosalina. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!